Yesterday I discussed displacement of a particle from main position. Look here. Yesterday I discussed displacement of a particle from mean position. Okay? In this situation, please look here. Yesterday give derivation. What is the displacement denotation? Y. Some textbooks denoted Aditya X. What is the formula for Y nana? A sin omega t. Please look here. Equation number 1. For example, in SHM, the best example is simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is pulled aside, left to free, it will be oscillate. The middle of the position is called mean position. This position is called extreme position. This also extreme position. Please look at it. In the situation, this is mean, extreme, extreme. Here Nana, suppose body at mean position. Nana, in the chapter displacement measured from mean position. Body at mean position, its meaning no displacement Nana. Its meaning is y value is 0. Body moves mean to extreme. We know the reference circle. Please look here. This is mean position. This is extreme position. Body moves mean to extreme, x-axis to y-axis. What happens the theta value? 90 degrees. Here substitute theta 90. Automatically y becomes a because sin 90 value 1. Neatly look here. Okay na? Particle at mean position. Displacement is 0. Particle at extreme position. Displacement is a. Y value is 0. Y value is maximum. This is maximum. Okay? Maximum displacement in SHM is called as amplitude. Please look at it. Okay, na Aditya? Please look at Nana. Please look at all of you. Please look at. Okay, please look at Nana. Displacement of the particle in the mean position is y equal to a sin omega t. Body at mean position, displacement is 0. Body at extreme position, displacement is maximum. That value, y value is a. Y value is a. Okay? Next important topic Nana, I discuss velocity of particle. Please look at velocity of particle in SHM. Okay na? Please look at displacement of the particle in SHM. Formula is y equal to a sin omega t. Equation 1. Okay? Now I am going to discuss velocity of the particle. Velocity basic definition Aditya, rate of change of displacement. Once again I repeat, velocity basic definition is rate of change of displacement. Okay Nana? Okay, look here all of you. Here Nana, both side differentiating with respect to time. Both side differentiating with respect to time. Look here now. Displacement by time, it called as velocity. Right side, a is a constant value, that's why it write common outside. Sign differentiation is please look here, sign differentiation is cos omega t into, inside we apply differentiation. Omega is a constant, write as outside. D by dt of t, simply dt by dt. dt what? Cancel. What is the final formula for velocity of a particle in SHM? Omega A. Please look here. Cos omega t. Equation number 2. Okay? Please look here now. This is the velocity of a particle in SHM. Next Nana. Look here all of you. V equal to omega A. Cos omega t write as under root 1 minus sin square omega t. Once again I repeat this step. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. According to that formula, I write cos omega t write as under root 1 minus sin square omega t. V equal to omega A under root, please look here, 1 minus sin omega t value y by a, sin square omega t write as y square by a square. Okay? Finally we get v equal to omega a. ఈ స్టెప్ అర్థమైంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు LCM here under root a square minus y square. Root a square we got a cancel. What is the formula for velocity of particle in SHM? Omega under root a square minus y square. This is the formula number 3. Please look at. Please look at all of you. This is the velocity of the particle in SHM. For example, in the simple pendulum oscillate, two positions are there. One position is mean position, another position is extreme position. At mean, particle at mean, displacement is 0. Particle is at extreme, displacement is A. Okay? Here. Now the question is Junaid, velocity determined. Here y is 0, here substitute. Finally we get omega A. You go omega root a square write as a. In the situation, putting y value a square get cancelled, 0 into anything 0. Its meaning is at mean position, velocity is omega a, at extreme position, velocity is 0. In both cases, this is maximum velocity, this is minimum velocity. The question is where velocity of particle maximum at mean position. Once again I repeat, where velocity of the particle is maximum at mean position. What is the formula for maximum velocity? Omega a. Here write. What is the formula for maximum velocity? Omega a. Equation number 4. Very important. Where velocity is 0, at extreme position velocity is 0. Next. Please look at. Next, Nana, I am going to discuss Vy graph. Vy graph, Nana. Vy graph. What is the velocity of a particle in SHM? Equation 3. Omega under root a square minus y square. Okay? Squaring on both sides. V square. Please write omega square. A square minus y square. Omega square other side. Please look at V square by omega square equal to A square minus y square. Minus other side plus V square by omega square plus y square equal to a square. Okay? Here numerator other side, denominator. Finally, please look here all of you. Please look here all of you. It right. Please look here. V square V square omega square a square plus y square by a square equal to 1. According to this situation, I take graph Nana Vy graph. In the situation, velocity taken as y-axis, displacement taken as x-axis. Once again I repeat, velocity taken as y-axis, displacement taken as x-axis. Okay, Nana? Now, velocity taken as y-axis, displacement taken as x-axis. Please look at velocity taken as y-axis, y square by b square plus displacement taken as x-axis, x square by a square equal to 1. This equation, once again repeat, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In the mathematics, this equation called as ellipse. Ellipse means oval shape, egg shape. Look here all of you. This is the shape of the ellipse. In the situation, small a indicate length of the semi-major axis. What is the A value? A value, capital A. Please look at it. This is length of the semi-minor axis. What is the b square value? omega square a square, b value omega a. In the previous, omega a is called maximum velocity. Please look at Nana all of it.